Now children, see question. Interest on deposit for a year. Deposit amount is rupees 1000. Its simple interest is 80. Okay. Deposit amount is 1000. So its interest is 80. Like that, if it is 2000, it is 160 rupees interest. If it is 3000, 240. If it is 4000, 320, and 5000 means 400 rupees interest. Okay. So first question, does the graph pass through the origin? Okay, does the graph pass through the origin? First question. Use the graph to find the interest on rupees 2500 for a year. Third one, to get an interest of rupees 280 per year, how much money should we deposit? Okay, so let us see the sample graph. And the first question, does the graph pass through the origin? Let us see the graph. Here represent the deposit on y-axis and simple interest on x-axis. Okay, deposit on y-axis and simple interest on x-axis. Does the line passes through the origin? That is the question. Okay, yes. It is passing through the origin. Now let us see the next question. Here, use the graph to find the interest on rupees 2500 for a year. What is the interest for 2500? Let us see. Here, 2500 means it will be here. 2500, that is, each is 1000 rupees. Each unit is 1000 rupees. So, 2500 means it will be here, the center point. Okay, so here the gap is, each gap is 80 each. Okay, so each unit is 80. So what will be coming here? If it is 80, what is a half of it? It will be 40. 160 plus 40 it will be. Okay, 160 plus 40. How? 160 and the half it is coming. That is 40. So 160 plus 40, you will get it as 200. Okay, so here the simple interest will be 200. Got it? Now next question. Interest on rupees 2500 is rupees 200 for a year. Now next one, let us see. To get an interest of rupees 280 per year, how much money should we deposit? 280 rupees, you should get it as, to get an interest of rupees 280 per year. How much money should we deposit? How much we should deposit so that we get an interest of rupees 280. So let us see the graph. 280 means where it will be? Okay, here totally I told it is 80 here. The one unit equal to 80. So 280 means it will come in the middle of this. That is 240 plus 40. Okay, 240 plus middle means it will be 40. So it is 280 coming. Okay, so where it is reaching here? That is a question. So where it is, the center line is meeting, that is the meeting. It is the point. So which amount it will be? 3000 and 4000. What is the mid amount? That is the middle line where it is reaching. Here it is, one unit is 1000. So half means it is 500. So it will be 3500. 3500 will be the deposit amount when you are getting 280 as interest. Okay, let us see the answer. Now rupees 3500 should be deposited for interest of rupees 280. Okay, from the graph itself you will be able to understand. Okay, now let us draw the graph for this given data. Children, see question. Interest on deposit for a year. So deposit amount in rupees and simple interest is given. Okay, if the deposit amount is 1000, interest should be given as 80. If it is 2000 rupees deposit, then interest will be 160. Same like that, 3000 means it is 240, 4000 means it is 320, and 5000 means it is 400. Okay, so now you should find the difference between these numbers. It is 1000, 1000, 1000 each. The difference between the values is 1000 each. So we can take 1 unit equal to 1000 rupees. Like that. So deposit can be taken along the y-axis and simple interest can be taken along the x-axis. Where deposit can be written as 1000, 2000, 3000 like that, 1000, 1000 gap. And here deposit can be taken as 80 to 160, 160 to 240. That means how much is the difference? That is 80. So 80 each we will take. 80, 160, 240. Same way we will take along the x-axis. So let us see in graph. So x-axis and y-axis. So what is this x-axis? We will represent the simple interest. Okay. Simple interest in rupees. Now children, I have marked simple interest along the x-axis and deposit along the y-axis. Here 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000 up to 5000 I have taken. That is 1 unit equal to 1000 and here 1 unit equal to 80 rupees. Simple interest I have written. Origin 0. Okay. So what is the scale we are seeing? That is x-axis simple interest, that is 40 rupees. And here y-axis deposit amount, it is 1000 rupees. So let us write the scale here. So scale children, x-axis simple interest. X-axis represents simple interest. As I have put SI. 1 unit equal to rupees 8 and y-axis it is deposit. 1 unit equal to rupees 1000. Now let us start marking the points. So 80 means it is 1000. Okay. 80 means it is 1000. We can see here. 80 means 1000. 160 is 2000 means 160. 3000 means 240. Let us mark this. 160 means it is 2000. 240 means it is 3000. 320, that is for 4000 rupees. Interest is 320 and for 5000 rupees it is 400. Like this you can mark and you can join the points. So when you are seeing it is a straight line, it is a linear graph. Now you can mark the points, that is 80,000. Like this you can mark the points. 160, 2000, like this you can mark the points. Children, you can mark the points like this. Got it?